Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You've got location services on and internet working. Good. First, open your Maps app and drop a pin on the exact spot you want to share, or enter the address and confirm accuracy. Once done, export the location link or coordinates into a QR generator app or built-in Share to QR feature. Make sure to choose the correct map provider if you need routing. If privacy matters, set link expiration or restrict who can view before creating the QR code. You now paste the exact map link or coordinates into the QR tool and pick settings. Higher error correction increases scan reliability but larger file size. Next, choose image size and format. PNG often works best for messaging and printing. Once configured, generate the QR and immediately preview it on your screen. Then test by scanning with a different phone to verify it opens the right map and initiates navigation if that's intended. If it fails, adjust contrast or size and you're ready to distribute the QR. Attach the image to chat, embed it in email, or print it on signs. Once sent, ask the recipient to scan and confirm the map opens with correct directions. Make sure they have a compatible scanner or camera. If problems arise, don't panic. First, verify the original link loads in a browser, then check QR contrast, size, and file format. If needed, regenerate with higher error correction or larger dimensions and resend. That usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.